Hey, Bearwood Brown here. What's this? A picture of a door. And what the problem is, something's happened to the lock. The lock's got broken. And you can't buy this size lock anymore. The tumbler is the wrong size. Okay, this is the new one right here. And it won't fit in the hole. And it's actually about, can you see, this much too small, that little mark right there. Okay, it's taken. They supply you with a little fitting guide, and you stick that over the hole. Get your marks where it's going to be. You got to eyeball it in there, center it. So the trick's going to be getting that piece off. Now, what I'm going to use to begin with is the jigsaw. Okay, very carefully try and is we're doing the same on the back side. So it helps to take the saw, go straight in it, get the thing started. So any way you can, you got to get that off. And then we'll go to the next step. So Bearwood Brown in the, where am I? Flight path of Heathrow, for one thing. With a fag in my mouth for another. And putting a new lock on the door here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.